Well, good morning, everyone. Good Sunday morning, everyone, I guess I should say. Well, I'm getting ready to run off to church, but before I do, I'm going to throw a quick pot roast into my trusty little crock pot here. And if you do have these kinds, that has this little thing on here, this is not to, you don't want to use these little latches while you're cooking it. It is strictly for when you're carrying it to lock the thing in place. This way, you don't want to do it otherwise because you don't want to trap that steam that tightly inside. This is the easiest pot roast ever. It is going to take me less than 5 minutes to do it. And, got my watch on something. And, so, here we go. This is these are slow roaster cooking bags. They are for my crock pot, and they make cleanup a lot simpler. Now, if you don't want to use it, by all means don't use it. But I'm going to use it so you don't have to tell me not to use it because I like using it. It makes cleanup very simple, and if I can get it open, it doesn't make sense to me because it seems like it would melt, but it doesn't, and it's just an awesome thing. So, but every time I seem to use this, I seem to get many comments telling me about the environment and all that kind of stuff when those same people are using shampoo bottles made out of plastic and Ziplocs and everything else. So, I'm using it. What you do, simple, is you take your pot roast, and this is about a 3-pound pot roast. Simply lay it in there, no muss, no fuss. You don't have to shear it off or do anything to it. Then you take your package of dry ranch dressing and sprinkle that over the top. And I'm not going to put potatoes and carrots and all that in here this time because I have a bunch of vegetables that I want to roast. So I'm going to do that. And maybe I'll make a video and show the different vegetables that I roast. But I have an acorn squash. I have onions and carrots. So instead of putting them in here, I'm going to put them on a cookie sheet and roast them. This is a brown gravy mix. And that's going on the top. This is the easiest thing. I'm telling you, this is so easy. And it is so good. Okay. Stick of butter. There's no liquid that goes in here. None. And yet it makes a fantastic gravy. And you can cut this up if you'd like. But you don't have to. Right on top, that's gonna go. And then last but not least, now if you have pepperoncini, that would be great, but I couldn't find them. So what I have are hot banana peppers. So, and these are slices. If you're gonna use the whole ones, maybe you're gonna use 5 or 6 whole ones, but I'm using slices. So I'm just putting them all around in here. And then I'm gonna put a few splashes of that juice in there. And that, my friends, is it. I am going to put the lid on it. Okay, get that out of there. Put the lid on it. I'm gonna set it for 8 hours on low. And off it goes. So tonight at 6 o'clock, this will be ready for me. I will show you a still picture of this when we're done. But obviously I'm not gonna leave my phone open for 8 hours. So but that's as easy as that gets. And that is, and now you can, certainly you can, put your carrots and potatoes and onions in here with it. Absolutely you can. It will make gravy. It will steam them. They will be good. I'm just not going to do that today. I just have other things that I want to do with my vegetables today. So, but that's as easy as that is. So, I hope you try it. Simple. Have a great Sunday. Bye.